Hello guys, in my earlier videos I have covered up the topic linear equation in two variables. Now in today's video I am going to cover up a very basic concept or the topic named as perimeter and area. So before moving on to the definition of perimeter and area, I'll tell you two basic rules which you should keep in mind while finding perimeter and area of a figure or a surface. So the first rule is the figure for which you are finding perimeter and area, it should be 2D. The figure should be 2D. And the second rule is it should be a closed figure or the surface. So now we'll move on to the definitions. So definition of perimeter is, it is the total distance around the edge of the figure. Now as you can see, I have drawn a random figure or the surface which satisfies both the rules. First rule is it is 2D and the second one is it is a closed surface. So this is the parameter of this random figure. So you can also define perimeter of a figure as its boundary. The length of the boundary of any 2D closed figure is its perimeter. Okay. Now definition of area. First, it is used to define the amount of space taken by a 2D shape or the surface. So here is the area of this random figure. The shaded part, it is called as area. So it is defined as the amount of space taken up by a 2D surface or the shape, that is the amount of space this 2D shape, this closed surface takes. Okay, so this is called as area. Now we'll move on to the units. So unit of perimeter, it is centimeter or meter, and unit of area, it is centimeter square or meter square. So now we will see some types of 2D shapes for which we have to find or we'll find area and perimeter. So our first type is rectangle, second is square, then triangle, then parallelogram, then rhombus, then trapezium, circle, and then semicircle. So now firstly we will see how to find perimeter and area of rectangle. So now as you can see, this is the rectangle for which we will find perimeter and area. So formula for perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, and formula for area is length into breadth. So as you can see, this is the length of the rectangle and this is the breadth of the rectangle. Okay, so now as you can see, perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. So as I've told you that perimeter means length of the boundary. So boundary of rectangle is this, this, this and this. So perimeter will be addition of the length of the boundaries or the edges. So we can write it as, first one we'll start it from here. Okay, we'll give names to the corners, that is A, B, C and D. Okay, so first one will be AB plus, we'll travel it here, BC plus this one, CD plus DA. Okay, so we have traveled from A to B, B to C, C to D, and again from D to A. So we will write its length, that is AB is L plus BC is breadth, that is B, then CD is again, it is of the same length, it is L, so CD is length again and DA is again breadth. Okay, so we can write it as 2L plus 2B, that is twice of length plus twice of breadth. Now we will take 2 common, so it will be 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, now we will see area of rectangle. So this is how We can also derive formula for area of rectangle, that is area is length into breadth. Then next comes square. So this is its side. The length of the side is S. Perimeter is 4 into side, that is side plus side plus side plus side. Then area is side into side. Then comes triangle. Its perimeter is 3 into side, that is side plus side plus side. Okay, then area is half into base into height, that is half into base, and this is the height of the triangle. Okay, now comes parallelogram. So this is the parallelogram. This is its height, this is its base. So its perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth, again length plus breadth plus length plus breadth, perimeter. Then area comes breadth into height, this is breadth into height of the parallelogram. Now comes the rhombus. Its perimeter is 4 into side, that is 4 into side, that is side plus side plus side plus side, and its area is half into d1 into d2. So d1 and d2 are its diagonals. Okay, this is I'll draw it here. This is d1 and this is d2. Okay, then comes trapezium. This is the trapezium. Its opposite sides are parallel. Okay, then perimeter is a plus b plus c plus d, that is a plus b plus c plus d, or you can write it as s1 plus s2 plus s3 plus s4. Then comes area, that is h by 2 into a plus b. A plus b, that is a and b are the opposite and parallel sides, and h, it is the height of the trapezium. Okay, then comes circle. So circle, this is the circle, r is the radius, o is the center, then perimeter is 2 pi r. So this is radius and its perimeter is this 2 pi r. Okay, so as we started from here and we come back again at this point, so this angle is 360 degree, and we can also write this angle as, we can also write 360 degree as 2 pi. So its perimeter is 2 pi r. Then area comes pi r square. Then next comes semicircle. So semicircle is just half of the circle. So its perimeter becomes from 2 pi r, it becomes pi r, and area becomes pi r square by 2 from pi r square. So these are some easy formulas to find area and perimeter of 2D objects, 2D figures. If you have any doubt regarding any of the formulas, or if you want derivation of any of the formula of area and perimeter, then please comment below. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. May you have a great day.